Hey there, everybody. As always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich, and we're going to jump right into it today to keep this one really short for you. So, if you're wondering about buying the DJI Avata FPV drone, and you're on the fence and unsure, if you spend the next 1 minute and 30 seconds with me, once we hit the fade, I'm going to show you the biggest thing that you need to know about the DJI Avata. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. And yes, the biggest thing that you need to know about the Avata from my perspective is that you might just have a lot of fun with this thing. Now, we've seen that there's some problems with it. People have had crashes. Some folks don't like the motion controller. Other folks do like the motion controller. Bottom line, if you're new to piloting drones, I've been flying drones since 2014. And one of the big things, I'm always thinking about my drones from the perspective of a business and a business use case. And the Avata was not something on my radar screen at all. One of our clients actually picked up this Avata so that we could do some very specific work for them. And so over the past 3 weeks, we've been playing around with this drone. And number one, Jody, who had never flown a drone previously and didn't really have much of an interest, she took an interest in this one. She was also interested in that motion controller. As a person who's used to gaming, different controllers for game consoles, kind of feel familiar with the Avata. So while some people might be talking down the motion controller, if you're new to drones, this might be a comfortable way to get into it. And even for me, with my experience flying drones for quite a while now, I have to say, the business thoughts went out the window. I've got some ideas for it, but more importantly, I've been having fun flying this, and I've been having fun seeing Jody flying this as well. All right, everybody, I hope this gives you one more piece of information. I don't work for DJI. I'm not trying to sell it, but I am saying we've had a blast with this stupid thing, and we're going to continue to having fun with it as well. See you again in the near future.